Welcome to Matuto Dapat YouTube channel, where math and Bible lessons were discussed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, write the comments, and share. And don't forget to push the bell button for notification. Our lesson for today is about higher derivatives in differential calculus. This is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor. Remember that from the equation y equals f of x, we get by differentiation the equation dy dx is equal to f prime of x. The derivatives dy dx or f prime of x of the function is a number that depends on x. Hence, f prime itself is a function of x and it can be differentiated repeatedly with respect to x. Now, if we have to find the second derivative, therefore, we have to find the derivative of dy dx, which is equal to d squared y dx squared is equal to f of double prime of x is equal to y double prime. Now, the third derivative is the derivative of the second derivative, which is equal to d cube y dx cube equals f triple prime of x is equal to y triple prime. So, parehas lang po yung kung anong gagamitin natin. It's either y triple prime or d cube y dx cube. Or pwede rin tayong gagamit ng f triple prime of x. Okay? Now, the fourth derivative is the third derivative. Okay? We have to find the derivative of the third derivative, which is equal to d to the fourth y dx to the fourth is equal to f to the fourth of x is equal to y to the fourth derivative. Therefore, the nth derivative is the nth derivative of y with respect to x is equal to f raised to n of x is equal to the nth derivative of y. So, ibig sabihin, yung derivative, kapag i-derivative pa natin, magpuproduce tayo ng next level, no? Ang tawag nating higher order derivatives. Okay? So, we have example. Find the fifth derivative of y equals 2x to the fifth plus x to the fourth minus 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10x minus 7. Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin, we have to find first the first derivative. So, the first derivative dy dx is equal to 10x to the fourth kasi power rule. So, 5 times 2, that is 10. So, itong power natin mag-minus 1. So, naging 10x to the fourth plus 4x cube kasi yung baba natin. So, maging 4x cube minus 15x squared na lang ito. Tapos, yung derivative nitong negative 3x squared ay negative 6x. Derivative ng 10x ay 10 na lang. Derivative ng 7 ay 0. Okay. Now, if we have to get the second derivative, so this is the second derivative. So, 4 times 10, so magiging 40x cubed plus 12x squared. Tapos, yung derivative nito ay negative 30x. Tapos, derivative ng negative 6x ay negative 6. Now, the third derivative, okay, so 40 times 3, kaya naging 120x squared plus 2 times 12, 24x minus yung negative 30x ay negative minus 30 na lang. Ang derivative dito ay 0, yung 6, no? Sunod, the fourth derivative, 120 times 2 kaya 240x plus ang 24x naging 24 na lang. So, therefore, the fifth derivative is equal to 240. So, this is the fifth derivative of this equation. No? Number 2, find the third derivative of y equals x to the fifth plus 6x to the fourth minus 10x minus the square root of 2x. So, the first derivative, so again, is x to the fifth, that will become 5x to the fourth plus 6 times 4, ito yung 6 x to the fourth magiging 24x cubed minus itong 10x ay minus 10 minus ang derivative nitong square root of 2x ay 2x raised to 1/2. Okay? So, yun po ang naging derivative niya. Okay, next. Ang second derivative ay magiging 20x cubed plus itong 24x cubed magiging 72x squared plus itong derivative ng 10, 0 na. Tapos, 2x raised to negative 1/2 ay magiging 2x raised to negative 3/2 kasi magma-minus 1 tayo dito. Kaya nagiging negative 3/2. Okay? Sunod, ang third derivative ay 60x squared plus 72x minus 3. Kasi ang derivative nito magiging negative 3 tapos 2x raised to negative 5/2. Okay? So, therefore, our final answer ay 60x squared plus 72x minus 3 over the square root of 2x raised to 5. So, yun po yung ating magiging final answer. Okay? Number 3, find the fourth derivative of y equals 4 times square root of x squared plus 5. So, yung first derivative, that will become, ito kapag i-convert natin into fractional exponent ay magiging 4, the constant, times yung power rule natin na 1/2. Okay, kaya naging 1/2 to kasi itong radical naging power raised to 1/2. Tapos, yung u natin x squared plus 5 raised to negative 1/2. Okay? Times the derivative ng x squared plus 5 ay 2x. Okay? Simplify natin. So, 2, itong 2 at saka 2, makakancel natin. Kaya naging 4x na lang. X squared plus 5 raised to negative 1/2. Okay? That is the first derivative. On the second derivative, so 4x, tapos ito, baba natin, no, naging negative 1/2, x squared plus 5 raised to negative 3/2 kasi itong negative 1/2 magma-minus 1, kaya nagiging negative 3/2 times 2x, the derivative of x squared plus 5. Okay, so simplify natin, so nagiging, kasi ang 2 at saka 2 itong sa baba, maging, makancel natin, kaya naging negative 4x squared, kasi x times x, times x squared plus 5 raised to negative 3/2. Okay? Now, the third derivative, so, ang negative 3/2, ito nakababa na siya, 4x, negative 4x squared times negative 3/2 times x squared plus 5 raised to negative 5/2 times 2x. So, simplify natin, nagiging 12x cubed times x squared plus 5 raised to negative 5/2. Okay? Then, we have the fourth derivative. So, dinaderivative natin to. So, naging 12x cubed. Tapos, itong negative 5/2. So, negative 5/2 times x squared plus 5. Ito yung u natin. Ang negative 5/2 minus 1 again. So, magiging negative 7/2 times 2x, which is the derivative of 2x squared plus 5. So, therefore, our simplify natin, magiging negative 60 x to the fourth times x squared plus 5 raised to negative 7/2. Ngayon, kung gawin nating positive itong ating fractional exponent, kaya naging the fourth derivative is equal to negative 60x to the fourth over the square root of x squared plus 7 raised to x squared plus 5 raised to 7. So, yun po yung ating final answer. Now, this is your activity to answer for number 1 to 6. Find the second and third derivatives. Okay? And then, yung 7, 8, 9, mayroon po silang sariling conditions na hinahanap. Okay? So, yun po yung ating lesson ngayong oras po na ito. Thank you very much for watching and listening in this video lesson. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Matuto dapat sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan na dapat nating ingatan at pagyamanin. Muli, this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor na nagsasabing, keep learning because knowledge is a wonderful earning. Thank you very much and God bless you.